What if I told you that you can change your life? What if I told you that the best version of yourself is not so far away and has been waiting for years and years to finally come out of his cage this year? Would you want to help him unlock his dreams? Life is not in my control. Let me at least try to do something which gives me the kick, because I didn't have anything. And one of those random things which I picked up while I was in college was making videos. Attention has become the new currency right now. There are a couple of people here who just got started with their content creation journey. So this session would be a gold mine for those people.